Hi everyone, welcome to HExcelprop Marketing Service Private Limited. So we are looking out the entire KIADB Aerospace Park from Godrej Ananda. So I'm exactly at the Godrej Marketing Office, the sales office, the future clubhouse. So we have the financial district, that's the entry and exit. First I'm talking about, first let me talk about the project. This property, the residential project by Godrej, and then we will be talking about the developments and other things and the neighbor projects. See, this is Godrej Ananda spread across 20 acres. This is the future clubhouse and today's sales office or marketing office. There we have phase 1, and in front of phase 1, so that is phase 2, and in between we have this huge clubhouse with all the other facilities and amenities, and phase 3 will be coming that side. All right, so as of now we have the sample apartments here below. So these are the sample apartments for phase 3 at the site, and that will be the visitor car park, or the visitors will be the future residents of Godrej Ananda or Godrej properties. It's a small introduction about the project. They have 1 BHK and a 2 BHK and a 3 BHK apartment for sale inside the property. 1 BHK, the carpet area is very good. The floor plan, the layout plan of 1 BHK is it's we cannot match it with other developers project here in KIADB, right? Property price starts from 49.99 lakhs excluding other charges, right? Excluding other charges. Then we have regular 2 BHK, and we have Jodi unit. Jodi unit 1092 square feet, 74.99 lakhs excluding other charges, as I said, right? Then we have 1588 square feet, starts from 1 crore 9 lakh onwards. Then we have 1600 square feet, 1600 change Jodi Apartment available for sale inside in the project. So there we go. We are looking out the Takeoff. It's not properly visible. It is. That's the Takeoff. And this one is Amazon Warehouse Center, and this is Syndicate Bank. Now let us talk about one minute. So now let us talk about the developments which are happening nearby. That was whatever I gave. This is the minimum info about the project. For further details for Godrej Ananda, you may reach us. Coming back to the neighbors, we have Godrej Ananda, Brigade Eldorado. This is Brigade Eldorado Towers. So just look out. We can easily have a view of clubhouse of Brigade Eldorado. Those who have a view of other side, they can have a easy view of clubhouse and little more facilities about the project. Here the brown color one, let me zoom and show you. So this one is Assets Group. Assets is coming up with luxury project, and here the blue color one is the land belongs to MJR, and then we have DS Max and Prestige. Prestige is not visible from here. That will come little further if we go. That is the arch of Brigade Eldorado. From there we need to take a U-turn, dead end. We have Prestige project, and we have the full view of Shell, other companies. I mean what to say, the developments which are happening, that this area is dependent on completely KIADB commercial zone, right? That's one of the best part. And the entrance to financial district will be from Bagalur Road. So this is the entry and exit arch, the building. From here we will be entering the financial district. So the moment we enter, we will reach out to this building. The gated community, we have the good options available for sale as of now. They have opened the 4th tower N. Very few units left of 1, 2 and a 2.5 BHK. I'm saying 2.5. 3 BHK with 3 washroom and 3 BHK with Jodi unit with 2 balconies. We have 3 BHK with 2 balcony option as well, everyone. So there we have the government Air Force quarters and other things. We have KIADB 2 We're not very far, like about 20-25 minutes from here. STRR is about 20-25 minutes drive. Airport is about 10 minutes drive. Hennur Bagalur Road or Hennur Bande, the outer ring road, is about 30 minutes drive. Manyata Tech Park is about 20-25 minutes drive. Yalanka is about 15 minutes drive. Everything depends on your speed. Well, that's it. These are the few information which we wanted to share it with you, and this a beautiful view of the entire aerospace park. Just look out the weather, look out the view from the clubhouse of Godrej Ananda, the future clubhouse today marketing office. That's it from our side, everyone. We just wanted to give you the minimum information about the project and as well as the neighborhood, the developments which are happening. If you're interested, we'll be waiting for your call us for further details. That's it. Thank you so much for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe.